Hello and welcome to XRP Zone. Today in this video, we'll talk about how the lawsuit against XRP is going to take it to places and to the moon, most probably. Let's get started. As taken from our sources, on January 29, 2021, the first official answer to the SEC's lawsuit arrived. The preliminary response, which was made public in the form of a legal document, gave explanations and reasons to the agency's charges. The 93-page brief presents 4 primary arguments for why XRP is not a security and why the SEC erred. The following content is a Ripple-created official summary. XRP is not a financial instrument. According to Ripple, XRP represents a virtual currency that comes without an investment contract and is outside of the SEC's jurisdiction. The company has never held an ICO, nor has it used XRP to raise money for its business operations. Additionally, their sales amounted to less than 1% of the currency's entire market and therefore had no influence on prices or investors. The SEC is out of touch both domestically and internationally. The SEC is overstepping its bounds by declaring XRP a security, according to Ripple's second argument. No other regulatory authority in the world has designated XRP as a security prior to the case, nor had they said that Ripple had to do so. According to the document, the currency's architecture is incompatible with securities law and would have a detrimental impact on the project's fundamental utility and purpose. Finally, Ripple points out that the Department of Justice and the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN, have previously established that XRP is a virtual currency. The same can be said for the international regulators, such as the United Kingdom and Singapore. The SEC decides who wins and who loses. Another crucial point is that by attacking Ripple and labeling Bitcoin and Ethereum non-securities, the SEC picks winners and losers. The company believes it is hypocritical because, despite the fact that there are no fundamental differences between these 3 projects, the SEC treats XRP differently. Ripple further points out that the Securities and Exchange Commission previously stated that Ethereum began as a security but later evolved into a non-security. The regulator is refusing to issue any clear regulations indicating how and when such a process takes place. The facts have been twisted by the SEC. The complaint, according to Ripple, does not depict the true scenario and distorts the facts by putting specific words and occurrences out of context. Throughout the court battle, Garlinghouse asserts that he would disprove all of the regulator's charges. The CEO concluded the presentation by quoting Andrew Sersney of the law firm Debevoise and Plimpton in New York. The SEC's argument is unique and poorly thought out. The SEC has rejected XRP's clear status as a virtual currency, contradicting not just other US regulatory bodies' findings, but also worldwide regulatory regimes. The XRP market has expanded to a vast scale over the last 8 years, independent of Ripple's activity, trading on over 200 exchanges globally. The SEC is now pushing the definition of an investment contract to its limits. We are excited to go to court and deliver our case. So, should you invest in XRP right now? Ripple can provide the required infrastructure to provide near instantaneous and low-fee transactions in the remittances market, which is a massive industry in and of itself. A current investment in XRP would necessitate continuous monitoring of its case in the United States, as this is expected to have a significant impact on its future price. If the case is found in Ripple's favor, the price may easily double or triple from current levels. XRP was recently trading at $1. Bing.com. The price of XRP has risen by 30%, and here's why it could rise by another 300%. On August 11th, the price of XRP had a strong bullish surge, climbing about 30% for the day and breaking above the crucial resistance level of $1. With a market price of $45 billion, the 6th largest cryptocurrency has then doubled from its low of $0.514 last month. Before retreating down below $1, XRP hit a new monthly high of $1.09. While most other cryptocurrencies hit new all-time highs this year, XRP arrived late to the party but still managed to hit a new 3-year high. The pivot point for the altcoin lies at $0.772, while it's currently clear above the 2 key resistances of $0.849 and $0.918. Note that XRP is the only altcoin in the top 10 that does not have a new ATH. When most of the cryptocurrency was retesting its new ATH at the start of this year, XRP price plunged to its lowest in 3 years, all because of the US Securities and Exchange Commission's security lawsuit. However, it defied the majority of the odds and market expectations to start a fresh 3-year high of $1.96. The fact that it's the only cryptocurrency in the top 10 that has not retested its ATH is the largest element that might drive its price up 300% from its current level. The latest developments in the XRP case has focused attention on Ripple, which has been delaying the SEC's request for Slack data. The SEC has filed an emergency motion in this regard, believing that the transmission data will aid in proving XRP's security. Ripple, on the other hand, has sealed significant portions of William Hinman's deposition without the SEC's permission, bolstering the case for an internal settlement. XRP has entered the second leg of this bull run ahead of schedule, which might help it leap in lockstep with the rest of the market, improving its chances of retesting its all-time high of $3.84. XRP holders are seeing another day of green candles, with the token up 18.36% in the past 24 hours to $0.968 apiece as of 2:30 p.m. EDT. On August 9th, the Senate blocked a provision in the newly passed $1.2 trillion infrastructure legislation that called for greater regulation of cryptocurrencies, sending the sector into a broad and extended rally. Ripple, the company behind XRP, is also benefiting today from a new development in its lawsuit from the SEC. Yesterday, despite the presiding judge's insistence, the SEC refused to hand over evidence discovery documents to Ripple's defense team. The SEC charged Ripple in December with issuing $1.3 billion in unregistered securities beginning in 2013. Despite the fact that the lawsuit was dropped and XRP's market cap has risen to the point where its parent corporation can issue tokens as a settlement, the lawsuit significantly tarnished the token's reputation. This is because the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, or SWIFT, is Ripple's main competitor. SWIFT is a global financial messaging system that connects over 11,000 financial institutions, including the Federal Reserve, in over 200 countries to handle large-scale transactions. Many major banks, treasuries, and other financial institutions are unlikely to adopt Ripple until the allegations against it are resolved. As the US continues its favorable position in cryptocurrencies, XRP has seen double-digit rises. XRP investors appear to be bullish on the currency despite Ripple's involvement in a lawsuit against the SEC in the United States. As the SEC's case against Ripple continues to lose pace, XRP has broken away from the other top coins with a robust climb of 13% in the last 24 hours. Where can you get Ripple in the UK and elsewhere? The greatest places to buy Ripple are crypto brokers and exchanges. You must first create an account, which can be done in a matter of minutes by providing basic information such as a username, email address, and a phone number. You can trade once your account has been validated according to the Know Your Customer or KYC standards. Because decentralized exchanges are often unregulated, it's always a good idea to use regulated platforms. On an unregulated platform, the danger of losing money is increased. We've narrowed down 2 of the top platforms for easy trading. CoinKong Trader. CoinKong makes it easy to buy and trade cryptocurrencies quickly. This is a wonderful alternative for novices because of its robust security, transparent pricing costs, and good customer service. ETX Capital is a private equity firm. ETX Capital is a major spread betting and CFD broker with a wide range of markets to choose from, including FX, commodities, stocks, and more. So what's the deal with Ripple rallying? XRP is a popular cryptocurrency with a wide range of applications. It's a direct rival to the SWIFT network, which is the world's favorite banking partner. The rise of Ripple was abruptly halted once it was confronted to a court case in the United States. The SEC claims that Ripple sold its coin XRP without first registering it as a security, which is illegal under US law. If Ripple is able to resolve the case, XRP will become one of the most powerful coins on the planet, since all regulatory barriers would be removed. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up.